Hey, this is Jamie Cook and this is my wife Claudia, and we're on camera right now because we're going to explain to you how great Mark is as a real estate agent and also a friend, and that's what he's grown to be. This is our second house that Mark has somehow sold. It was never an easy project, but he made it look easy. And I have to admit, and I think you will, that when he said he would sell the house in 3 days, I was very skeptical because houses are hard and it wasn't exactly the perfect market or the perfect situation. But lo and behold, he did, and I thought it was pretty incredible. And along the way Mark operates, it's 100% professionalism, but he's become a good friend.
Very reliable. I love his videos and all the marketing tools that he used to promote the homes. It's a pleasure to be with, work with Mark. And not only, like my husband was saying, it's just more than a realtor, it's our friend. It's somebody that we can trust. He's very reliable. So when we needed something to be done in the house, he was always there for us. And it was a pleasure to be working with him. And I'm pretty sure that you're with me on this. Moving forward, the only person we're going to be using to sell our homes will be Mark.
Yeah, I agree. The thing that blew me away was the digital marketing.
Absolutely.
That video, I was like, wow, I want to buy that house if it was our house. So, I think that's one of the things, besides his personality, that comes out when he's selling the house, but also the digital marketing campaign just took it to another level.
Mm-hmm.
And it really showed people that it wasn't just a house, it was a home, and they could visualize themselves living in it just like we did when we saw the house. So I think that really took it to another level.
Absolutely.
And helped the house move as fast as it did. So it wasn't just, hey, post a house like a lot of agents do on the web and people find it and come look. There was a whole digital campaign and it was thought out. Mm-hmm. And I think that makes a big difference of how Mark operates compared to other agents out there.
Absolutely.
The other thing, it's great to have someone that's good at their job, but it has to transcend into something. When you hire someone, you want, something to come out of it. And I think, the fact that the percentage of increase that we thought we were going to get for this house, it ended up being much more because of his efforts. And I think at the end of the day, he just produced results that, I know it was much higher than my expectations.
Absolutely.
I think the other thing that was impressive was, both our sales, to put it in perspective, I used to have hair and now I don't. Because both sales were contingent on the sale of our house. And I never realized, I did the last house and then again this house, how much pressure that puts on you and stress, and every day you're thinking about it. And it really, I think, puts a lot of pressure on the agent. And I think Mark, if anything, settled us down, and I remember him saying like, hey, it's gonna be okay, we can do this. And he was right. And I think that is another area that he's really came through for us.